Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat login in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Next, you'll be routed to log in your information. And if you forget your password, just press forget your password. And after that, you'll be routed to verify the account via phone or via email. So you have the two options. So if you want to use your mobile phone number, just simply put in your mobile phone number and then click submit. And if you want to use your email, you'll be routed to a portal like this one, and you need to enter your email address, and after putting your email address, just press submit once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.